Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks for asking. Pretty good, thanks for asking.
By the way, what's your name? By the way, what's your name?
I'm Aria, and you? I'm Aria, and you?
I'm Stive. Nice to meet you. I'm Stive. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Nice to meet you, too.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I'm a student. What about you? I'm a student. What about you?
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
I love sushi. I love sushi. Are you married? Are you married?
No, I'm single. No, I'm single.
What's your hobby? What's your hobby?
I like reading books. I like reading books.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I love pop music. Yes, I love pop music.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Do you have pets? Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I hang out with friends. I hang out with friends.
Are you happy today? Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm very happy. Yes, I'm very happy.
What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice. I like orange juice.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim well. Yes, I can swim well.
Where do you usually eat lunch? Where do you usually eat lunch?
I eat lunch at home. I eat lunch at home.
Do you speak other languages? Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Arabic and French. Yes, I speak Arabic and French.
What do you do in the evening? What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or read. I watch TV or read.